Found these at Ollie's the other day for $2.49. Sometimes at Ollie's it's either you can find something good for snacks and sometimes not so good snacks, but I found HERR's bacon cheddar flavored cheese curls at Ollie's the other day for $2.49. Let's try these. So it's currently 3:10 here in the morning, and we're gonna try these. Let's look at the little message on the back. Bacon. HERR's presents a sizzling new twist on the classic cheese curl. HERR's bacon cheddar flavored cheese curls deliver the unstankable flavor of smokehouse bacon combined with creamy sharp tang of fresh cheddar. For a taste you can't refuse and crunch you can't resist. Like all HERR's snacks, bacon cheddar flavored curls are made from the choicest ingredients available and delivered fresh for your snacking pleasure. I know you'll enjoy them eating them as much as we enjoy making them. In fact, I personally guarantee it. Anyway, let's try these. Oh, they smell like just regular cheese curls. Looks like they got some bacon, looks like bacon on top. Oh, that's got a nasty taste to it. Try one more. To be honest, it tastes like a dog treat. Like, I never had a dog treat before, but that's what it tastes like to me. Honestly, that's disgusting. The bacon is so imitation bacon, like fake bacon. It's like, why the heck? Like, what the heck? I honestly would give these probably a 2 out of 10. I don't like these. I probably wouldn't pick these up again. Ugh. You could taste the bacon. You could taste that it's not real bacon. Like, literally, it doesn't taste like real bacon. It tastes like imitation bacon, fake bacon, or whatever you say. Whatever you call it, whatever, imitation bacon or fake bacon or whatever, but it just tastes gross. Honestly, like I said, I would give these a 2 out of 10, and they're gross. Thanks for watching. Peace.